Today, I'll show you how to download the ChatGPT app for Android. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. OpenAI says the official Android app is available on the Google Play Store, and the safest way to avoid fake apps is to make sure the app is published by OpenAI. OpenAI's Help Center specifically recommends searching for OpenAI ChatGPT in the Play Store or using the official download page. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type OpenAI ChatGPT. Look for the official app published by OpenAI, then tap Install. OpenAI's Help Center says this is the normal way to find and install the Android app. And it also notes that you can use the official direct Play Store listing from OpenAI if you prefer. Once the app finishes downloading, tap Open. After that, you can either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. OpenAI's help pages for the Android app confirm that ChatGPT is available on Android and that the official app is distributed through Google Play. Now here's something helpful to remember. OpenAI's Android help collection includes a note about Google Chrome as the default browser for the ChatGPT Android app. So if login gives you trouble, checking that Chrome is installed and set as your default browser can help with authentication on Android. If you want the most reliable route, OpenAI also has an official download ChatGPT page on its website. That page links directly to the Android app listing and is a good way to confirm you're installing the real app. So, in simple terms, open the Google Play Store, search for OpenAI ChatGPT, make sure the publisher is OpenAI, tap Install, then open the app and sign in. That's the official way to download ChatGPT on Android, and that's how to download the ChatGPT app for Android. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.